Hello everyone. Welcome to our Mech 203 project about designing tricycles. My name is Mohammed and my partner is Stefan. Before talking about our final design, I wanted to take some time to introduce the first three concept ideas we had. Our preliminary designs were based on what already exists in the toy building tricycle world. It was designed so that it would still be an attractive buy for children and parents with children alike. It could be utilized for any short distance transportation, such as a stroll in the park, or let's say your parent wants to take you to school. He or she could do that. The child will simply ride along with his or her adult operator as the adult walks from place to place. As you can see on the screen, this is the first design concept that we had. It's a basic tricycle that'll look like any other one in the market, but the unique design we had for it was adding a plank in the back so that a second child could ride along as the first one pedals. This is our second design concept. Here we added a steering handlebar in the back so that an adult could steer the front wheel. As you can see, there is a mechanical linkage system underneath the frame that runs from the back handle to the two sides of the fork. The purpose of this design element is so that the adult can steer the front wheel. If he chooses to go right, then the tricycle will go right. If he chooses to go left, then the tricycle will go left. This is our third and final concept. The third and final concept design incorporates a detachable steering bar that is attached to the rear end of the tricycle. This will allow the adult operator to completely navigate the two kids as they ride the tricycle, essentially making the tricycle into something similar to a stroller. The third concept design makes this children's toy into a multifunctional device capable of providing something every adult seeks with anything they give to their children, safety. We also added an extra handle for the second passenger so they would have support for their hands. A leg platform was also added for the rear passenger for safety and convenience reasons. The third design also significantly improved the rear steering bar so as to give the adult full control over the tricycle. The rear steering bar is also detachable, making it easy to assemble and remove. Additionally, an improved rear seat was added, making the experience for the second child more comfortable and safer. This is our third and final concept design. As I've pulled up on the screen now, this is the frame of our tricycle, which contains the handlebar and as well as the leg platform for the rear passenger. We decided to make it out of aluminum. As you can see on the screen, this is the front fork of the assembly. The front fork is connected to the front of the frame through this connection point. This is the front wheel of our assembly, made out of rubber for gripping friction. This is the connection rod, which connects the back handle to the fork. And through this rod assembly, as the adult operator moves the back handle, it will also simultaneously move the front handle along with the wheel in the front. Pedals, second pedal. The seat of our bike, we added two seats. That's the first seat, and this is the second seat for the second passenger. These are our back axles. There were several tolerances we had to consider when creating this tricycle. For instance, the tolerance between the seat shaft and the housing space in the frame. This tolerance was a bit smaller, but it allowed for a stronger grip between the frame and the base of the frame. This tolerance was about 0 to negative 0.1 millimeters. As you can see, this is our tricycle in simulation. As the back handle is operating, it's also moving the front handle and the wheel up front. At the same time, it allows for the child that's seated up in the front seat to operate the bike at the same time as when the adult operator is turning the handle. This allows for multifunctionality. Well, that was the end of our project, and thanks for watching.